Hi guys!
So today we are going to
Hiking
sa
Mount Tagapo. So, anong oras na ngayon?
It's 5:26
In the morning. And
We're at Shaw Boulevard.
Shaw Boulevard.
Dito tayo pipick up ng van.
And inintay namin yung van guys. And naiihi na ako. So naghanap kami ng CR.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
So build me up, buttercup, don't break my heart. I'll be over at 10, you told me time and again, but you're late. I wait around and then I run to the door, I can't take anymore. It's not you, you let me down again. Baby, baby, try to find a little time and I'll make you happy. I'll be home, I'll be beside the phone waiting for you. Why do you fill me up, buttercup, baby, just to let me down? And mess me around, and then worst of all, you never thought, baby, when you say you
We are now at
but I love you still, I need you more than anyone, darling. You know that I have from the start.
So guys, nakababa na kami ng bangka and nandito na kami sa Barangay Gulod.
Ano yung island? Ano yung island?
Mount Tagapo.
Talim Island.
Tagapo yun.
If you just let me know, although you are true, I'm attracted to you all the more. Why do I need you so? Baby, baby, try to find a little time, and I'll make you happy. I'll be home, I'll be beside the phone waiting for you. Why do you fill me up, buttercup, baby, just to let me down?
We are going to summit Mount Tagapo! Woo!